just thinking while I was driving. I was thinking how much work you actually have to put in to get anywhere in life. And you know, of course, it's not a given thing to become successful or whatnot. But I was just thinking how easy it is to just coast through life as well. You know, you can go and get a very low risk job which pays a minimum income, which covers basically two things. It covers rent and food, and you don't need much more else than that. And the extra spending cash is basically just spent on alcohol and, you know, other various things that, you know, aren't very productive. And a lot of people just do that. You know, they have no savings, they have no ambitions, they don't expect anything from life, and that is on their own accord. They can do whatever they want, that's their life. But on the other hand, the flip side of that coin, it's impossible almost to make something of yourself. It's like the system that we live in it's built to keep us down. It's built to, you know, just keep us, you know, even going and getting like a college degree. You know, the job market is completely saturated. It looks kind of bleak, okay? But we gotta have a positive outlook on things as well, because we can't just be, you know, crying and bawling our eyes out, you know, at the thought of things not working out. We gotta have hope, and if we just keep that hope, you know, one day maybe things will take a brighter turn. It will, you know, it'll be better. That's my hope. You know, if you don't have hope, then you know, you're hopeless. You don't want to be hopeless. Let's turn on the meter. Let's do some work, okay? No more philosophy. Okay, we have lost this should all go straight to the trash. The moment that the brush touched the canvas, it should have gone straight to the trash. This is terrible. Like what is this? Disgusting. Okay, let's see what I got here for lunch. I got some chicken, cut up chicken. This is pre-cooked. A little bit of salad. It's like a blend, a salad blend. We bought this guacamole. It's very good to add in. It's we have bland chicken, no flavor. So it's we do what we can. We bought ourselves a little bit of cutlery, and then a fizzy drink, a Crystal. It's carbonated water. So what we do is we open this salad blend up. We take the cutlery. Take the knife. This is like the have you seen like the prison food, like how they are explaining what they're eating, and it's basically like Doritos mixed with water to make something disgusting. But here we're making something good, okay? We're making something good. So the lettuce is too big right now. It's too big. So we gotta slice it up. Slice it or rip it up. Until we have, a little bit of smaller chunks. Let's put it there. This is not a good place to. Okay, you can see the salad. This is the salad. Let's add a little bit of protein into this. So it looks like this now. We have the chicken, the salad, and the bowl. It comes with it. So this is like easy. We're not a big fan. I'm not a big fan of plastic, but I make do. I make do. If I don't buy it, someone else will. We take the chicken and the avocado, the guacamole, and we just put it in. Maybe it would have been better if I put the camera on my head. So it basically it looks kind of like this now. And now we have to blend it all together. Let's put it put it all together. Look at the police with its sirens on. Maybe chasing someone, who knows? But we're eating a delicious salad. We don't have to think about that. Highly recommend. This is like pretty cheap. It's like 2,000 kroner, about that. I don't know what that is in dollars. Maybe like $15 or something. I'll put it on the screen. No, this has been a slow day. Like I've only gotten, I've only made about $400 today. It's not good. I should be making more. Okay, I should be getting more projects, more things to do. But it's so slow, you know. I have to get into the process of, you know, getting more jobs, more opportunities, and doing more. Like, this is too slow. I got bills to pay.